Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share how we actually fit and replace the LED system into the Honda Civic Sport. And this one can be a general instruction to apply for the similar Honda Civic generation, or for other similar thing. So basically we could explain quickly. The system comes with all halogen main headlight and high beam and parking light and fog light, and at this moment they are all super LED lights that we are selling from our system. And why we select them? Because they actually are all aero free, high power range and high performance, and less power consumption, so it's more effective into the car. The main headlight already has the projector design, so it will be really nice and wide output and doesn't affect to other front drivers. And with the high beam, it is strong enough to go on the high beam when you need the high beam on the purpose. For the side light, it is bright enough even under the sun and the daylight driving. So for the fog light, today we don't talk about it because we are waiting for the fog light kit coming back stock and will fit into the car. But today it's all about those one already done: front main headlight, high beam and the parking lights. You can see how special the one we have for the parking light or the day running light. It is surrounding LED and front LED, and they are all high performance LED and aero free. Remember that the Honda Civic share a lot of technology from the European design apartments, so this one has all the aero free LEDs fit in. So what we do is we work from the top on the left and on the right side. We don't have to go down under the wheel to do the replacement for the main headlights. We have to work, and we select to work and have to work on the top, and actually there's only the top working for this model. And you need a small hand enough. If you have very big hand, you will feel very tired to work anyway. It's still manageable, but it is small and narrow space, especially on the other side where the battery stay, but I will talk later. On this side, the right side, driver side, this right hand drive car, please, this need to be removed. Pop up the plastic here and get the water pipe out of the place. Some water might pop out if you have full, but otherwise get this one out and you will see the back of the headlight globe. And then only the tool that we need to use here is actually a small and long nose flat screwdriver. Why we need that one, small and flat? Because we will use that long one slide down to the original glove and the connector, and then push it in, and then you twist the screwdriver, which actually you pop up the mechanism that lock the original glove and the cable, the power cable behind, because it has one lock that you cannot push your hand down to press it easily in some case. So just get the small screwdriver, flat one, slide down in between two components, and then twist gently. It will actually lift up the tab, the locking tab, and then you push it down one more and it comes out. Very simple, very easy, and that's the trick to save you a lot of headache. And after that, simply twist anti-clocks the glove and it will come out. The design is anti-clocks. Okay, so twist anti-clock, the glove come out, put our new kit in, make sure the lights up, put it back in and secure the part. The same thing for the high beam and low beam. Now going to the right side, you see, sorry, the left side where the battery stay. You see that we need to remove this part, which actually the plastic cover. Okay, you simply unclip it from here and then lift it up. Make sure you remove this pin and another pin over here, and this one come out, and then you need to use the screwdriver, slide down a little bit and press that plastic point, the air point underneath. Push it a little bit backwards so it gives you more space to put your hand down, and then again you get the screwdriver, the long flat one, push it in between the two components, the cable holder and the glove, and then twist and push it down again, and it actually release the cable easily between them, and you don't have to use the hand crazy down there. And just after that, untwist, anti-clockwise the glove, do the same thing for the left or for the other side, and put the glove back, clockwise lock in, done, and get the part, you know, secure and thing. And now the same thing for the high beam, and the high beam here is much easier to compare with the low beam over there. So we now actually go to the parking light. Okay, so the parking light need to work from the bottom. Just, you know, turn the engine, turn the wheel to the one side, and then you will be accessed here. Pop up some plastic clip, and then push down the mudguard, and then you will be able to work on and, you know, twist the original glove holder for the parking light. So basically what it is that you put your hands in and two finger top and bottom and twist by two finger, it will come out. But at least you need to remember to push down the mudguard as low as possible so your hand doesn't get scratched or cut. And just do the same for both sides. That's for the front, which is harder. For the rear, it's pretty simple. Just go down to the rear and okay, just go down to the rear, and then you will have unclip the plastic clip, and then just, you know, pull out this part first, so you can easily pop out the carpet on the side here, and the same on the side here. Just pop out, untwist the glove, replace it, make sure it lights up, and then put it back in. So easy for the rear thing. Okay, so that's about the LED replacement for the main headlight, for the parking light, and for the rear section. For the interior, just only 3 of them. 2 on the front here, which is here, 1 here, 2 here, and just use the very flat and small screwdriver, pop it out, replace it, and lock it, push it back this plastic panel. The same thing for the rear end. Okay, and after that it will be super wide and bright. But the most important thing is about the front headlight. Our system is fully plug and play and fully adapt to the factory design in this car. So you just install it in and you don't have to do more adjustment. It will align up to the factory specs of the headlight, and it won't bother the front drivers if you have original setup in the car. Unless you already modify the headlight up and down before, then you need to readjust the level of the headlight output. Otherwise it should be straight away replacement for this car model. Okay, so if you want to have a look on where to buy this setup, please simply click at the link inside our video, or give us an email or call. We will supply the full performance, high performance, error-free LED setup replacement for the Honda Civic Sport and other models. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.